Hi my love, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Styled by Uma. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to draft a two-piece sleeve, also known as tailored sleeve. This type of sleeve is commonly used in blazer, coat and jacket because it gives more structure and professional finish. To begin, you need a basic sleeve which will be modified into two-piece sleeve. I have a detailed tutorial on how you can create one and I'll leave the link below. Do well to check the video out if you haven't. Welcome back guys. So like I said earlier on, all you need is your basic sleeve, and if you've not seen that video, better pause this video to watch that. I have a line on the midpoint on both sides because I don't know which part to work with. So all you need to do is to create a line on the midpoint, fold your fabric like you see, fold your pattern of fabric like you see me doing. It's advisable to work with a pattern at this point, then use your tape to hold that part in place as you see me doing. We are more focused on the top parts rather than on the down part. So if your down part is not as lapped as the front part, is not a problem. We're going to go ahead to trace all this line because we are trying to get a two-piece sleeve. So what I'm going to do is I've gone ahead to bring a fresh pattern paper and I'm trying to trace the inner line first before working on the outer line. So watch me as I traced the first line, and also I've already gone ahead, as you can see, mark out the elbow line so I can connect that area. So I'm going to use the tracing wheel to trace the inner part of my sleeve as you can see me doing. I'm just going to trace it out like so. So if you're watching this video, go ahead and do the same as you're watching. And once you're done with the tracing, the next thing that we're going to do is to bring the markings out. As you can see me doing, go ahead to trace your markings, the inner markings as you can see me doing. Then I'm going to connect the elbow line. I'm going to connect it with a straight line, and once I'm done, I'll go ahead to label my pattern so I won't get confused. So this is the front part, and I'm going to go with 2 notch on the front and 1 notch on the back, and I'm going to label my patterns. So this is the front pattern, and the next thing I'm going to do is to get the midpoint. Okay, so this is the midpoint of my sleeve. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come up, I'm going to come in from the front area by 1 inch. So the next thing I'm going to do is to slant from that 1 inch that I marked. I'm going to slant from that front part of my sleeve because we want comfortability on the elbow line, as you can see on the picture on the screen. That is why we did so. So I'm going to go ahead to place whatever measurements that I have on the old line to the new line. Okay, so whatever we have there, I'm going to mark it to the other line. I'm also going to go ahead to place the same measurements that we have from the other side, so sort of, you know, making our sleeve curve on that area. I don't know the best way to explain it, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I'm going to connect it to meet the elbow line. So I'm from my wrist, I'm going to connect it to meet the elbow line. So this will be the new sleeve. This will be our new sleeve. So we try to bend it to the front because that's how our arm bends, okay, to the front side. So I'm going to go ahead to clean that part, and this will be our new sleeve. So I'm also going to go in by 1/2 inch because when you have a 2-part sleeve, the one outer is bigger than the one inner. So I hope you understand. So I'm going to take out 1 inch. So I'm taking out 1/2 inch on both sides on my inner sleeve. Okay, so we end up taking off 1 inch from the main sleeve. So I'm going to connect that line like you see me doing, and this will be it for the inner sleeve part. Okay, so this is what we have for that part, and what I'm going to do again, I'll just leave that part aside. I'm also going to go ahead to trace back the 1/2 inch that we took out from the other sleeve. I'm going to trace it on this pattern, and once I trace this on the pattern, I'm going to connect the lines like you see me doing, and I'll just go ahead to open up this. I'm just going to go ahead to open that part up and cut out this, and also work with the other part of the sleeve. So what I'm going to do is just to open this up like so, and once I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead to cut this out and I'm just going to go ahead to work with the sleeve. I hope you understand. So I'm just going to mark a line, but I later find out that this line does not make sense because of the sleeve is always bent. So the line did not really make sense. So just go ahead to give a gap of 4 to 3 inches and place your sleeve like you see me doing. And once you're done placing your sleeve, go ahead to trace these lines that we have here. I'm also going to go ahead to connect the elbow line like you see me doing, and I'm also going to go ahead to mark whatever I have there and also label my front and the back. And now I'm going to come up by 1 inch from that front area and slant like you see me doing. So we're just literally doing the same thing that we did for the other side. I'm going to place whatever we have for the other side. I'm going to place it, and whatever I have here, I'm also going to place it on the new line, the 1 inch line that we have. I'm just going to go ahead to place it like so, and once I place it, I'm going to mark it and connect it to the elbow line like you see me doing right now. Just go ahead and do the same. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead to add my allowance, but I'll just be doing it on this part of the sleeve. So what I'm going to be marking is 1 inch on this part, and I'll do the same thing on the other side, and I'll just go ahead to connect the lines like you see me doing. So if you're following along, go ahead to mark your allowance on the biggest part of the sleeve and connect like you see me doing, and that will be it. So this is what we have. We're going to cut for A, which is the biggest part. We're going to cut 2-piece, and for B, we're also going to cut 2-piece sleeve. Okay, so what you're going to do is to go ahead to cut like you see me doing, and after I was done, I'm trying to take a proper measurement so we sure that we are not going to have a shortage on that part. If they are not equal, try to connect it and make it equal. And if I'm done, I'm going to also go ahead to move to my back sleeve and measure as you can see me doing, because most times when you slant the line, they are likely not to be the same. So you just have to trace and measure and be sure that they are equal. And once you're done, just go ahead to curve or connect accurately, and once you're done, go ahead to cut your pattern. And this is literally what I have for my my 2-piece sleeve. Okay, if this video was helpful, do wait to give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And this part that I'm going to place the arrow is where we're going to add our allowance, and also on the down part I'll be adding allowance on the down parts. Okay, so if you want to learn how you can cut this or how you're going to attach this on a coat, do let me know on the comment section, and I'll do where to create a video on that. And if you want me to create something new, let me know, and I'll see you guys on that one. Bye.